Alright, what if I wanted to grab things with two hands? Let's say I have this example of a hand torch. Let's say I wanted to grab it from the handle and maybe from this spot. This could be cool for any normally two-handed wielded items like a gun or an axe or whatever makes sense to you. So on both hands now I have the direct interactor, which means I have to be up close to the object to grab it. So on my old hand torch prefab here, I just collected this from the Unity asset store. I'm going to add the component of the box collider. You see that populates right around the object. Next I'm going to add the XR grab interactable. Couple components we want to change here is the interaction layer mask to nothing and then grab, and then the select mode from single to multiple, and then use dynamic attach here. And also I'm going to change movement type to velocity tracking. Okay, just want to make sure that is all good. Okay, now let's test this out. Build settings, build, select folder, let that build. I'm going to put on my headset. Okay, I'm in the VR space. Just wanna, there we go. Here I am. You can no longer see the line visual on my left hand. Okay, I'm gonna grab and grab. And there we go. Now I have a two-handed grab, right? Here we go. I could walk around with it. It's just a little bit wonky. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. I can kind of do whatever I want with it now, right? I'm gonna put it back there. But what if I wanted to have the hand, my first hand attach kind of snap to a position on my item. So whenever I first grab it, it'll snap to a specific position I want on the item. So it'll no longer be a dynamic attach. So I will no longer be able to grab it from just anywhere. So back on the old hand torch, I'm actually going to turn off velocity tracking, put that back to instantaneous, and I'm going to turn off use dynamic attach. So now to add the snap feature on your prefab, right click, create empty, call this first and attach, go back to, well, first also this is exactly where the prefab populated, and I like this spot because this is where I want the hand to attach to, right? It'll attach right there. Go into the prefab, take my first hand attach, drag that to the attach transform. I'm going to create a second one, call this second hand attach, and I want to take that transform to maybe about right here is where I want the second hand to snap to, right? Go back here, take the secondary and attach to the secondary attach transform, and from there I'm gonna hit save project, and let's build that and see what that does. Back, putting on my headset. Alright. Okay, now my headset just doesn't want to load. Just give it 1 sec. One moment, everybody. Headset just is taking a moment to power on. Great. Might want to just skip ahead in the video just a couple seconds. There we go, finally. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, now if I grab it, automatically snaps to that position, right? If I use the second hand attach, boom. There we go. And if I let go of my right hand, it'll snap. It'll snap. It'll snap. There we go. There we go. Alright, and this could be cool for whatever, object you have that makes sense. Right? Could probably adjust the first hand attach transform just a little bit better to make it like actually fit in the hand. But you'll want to do some tweaking on your own side about that one. Alright? Very nice. See if I grab it, flips over.